So at this point, we started installing all of the electrical. There's this odd little cubby hole. This is the footwell for if it's a passenger van. This is open for your feet and you sit here. But in the cargo vans, they had metal all over it. But now there's all kinds of room. We have 3 lead acid AGM batteries, gel batteries, per 40-liter water tank, an inverter, her charger. All of her shore power connections are going to be there. She'll have a Webasto heater, so come wintertime, it's just going to be nice and toasty. So we're hoping that we get this all finished up, and that's what you'll see in this video. So here it goes. Had a crack in it, and so they had sent it back out, turn like an open box.
Is that maybe too much there, Eric? Just like that?
That should make it pretty quiet.
Yeah. Well, that's all for this video. Next week, we're going to be spending time working on the utility cabinet. We're going to be building an aluminum cage to hold everything in and finishing it with a plywood floor. We want it to be strong enough to hold everything in case there was a rollover or an accident. Nobody wants these 100-pound batteries flying around. Be sure to subscribe.